Hey you, yeah you, do you want to learn how to make money? I'm looking for creative people in Halifax, Nova Scotia who make money online, but I can't seem to find it. Yeah. Oh wait, there's none. What is creativity and how do you make money with it online? Before we find out what creativity truly is, let's go find out what it's not. Let's head on over to Dalhousie University. Are you ready to go outside? Because I'm ready to go outside. So right now I'm on campus at Dalhousie University and we're going to be talking to people about how they think about income as they're going to school. So we're going to walk around, ask people about what they think about making money online and what they think is possible. So let's walk around campus a little bit. I'm leaving my lens a little bit unattended. We're gonna see what happens. It's not very crowded today, so we're gonna have to find some good candidates. Dude, I'm making a video. I have a question. Do you work online?
Do I work online?
Do you work online?
What do you mean by work online?
Like do you work on the internet and make money, like cash, moolah, dough?
Oh, it's just because I'm not working right now, so I'm a student.
Oh, really? Hey, I found a friend.
Hello, man.
What's going on, buddy?
I'm from Dubai. I watch your videos.
I'm so happy.
How are you?
Good, man. I'm making a video today. People have been asking me, like, I want to learn how to work online.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't think I can do it because I'm in school. Do you work online right now?
No, I don't work online. I'm busy studying right now.
You're studying right now, right? It's hard. I think the best type of work you can do online is like passive income. So
yeah, definitely. I was trying to start something like maybe like clothing, like fashion or anything, or vlogs maybe.
Yeah.
But like I don't know, I'm just not feeling the motivation. You know, what if it fails? It's gonna consume too much time.
So we just had a great coffee. I'm actually heading back outside. Let's head back to my place and talk about how you can make money online. So that's something I wanted to find out at Dalhousie. Why are some students not working online? And the biggest answer I got was, well, because I'm still a student. I'm studying. Here's why I'm going to tell you that's wrong and how you can leverage your time as a student so that when you're out of school, you're making about $300 or more a day passively. I argue that being a student is actually the best time to start making money online because your undergrad degree is going to take about 4 years. 4 or 5 years if you're talented or if you're a very hard worker, either. You will be able to find a way of generating at least $1,000 a month passively. Even if you're super untalented, but you work hard. And that's in any undergrad degree. And the reason for that is because you have so much time while you're just focusing on studying. You don't have to answer to an employer. You just have to pass school. You can't get fired from school. So as long as you just pay school, you continue doing your work, you have all this time, this extra free time to try to build a business. So not only do you walk out with a degree for security, but you also walk out with a passive income stream. So you don't even have to use your degree, but you can if you want to. And that's why it's so powerful. So how do you do it? Number one, decide how you're gonna make money. You will not, unless you're in the top 1% of all talent, make money with YouTube. You will not make money with creating fun content, hoping someone discovers you. You will not make money because you look nice and you have a lot of, cool pictures and you want to build a following and become an influencer. It's not going to happen immediately. So there are more surefire ways to focus on creating money. I'm going to give you the exact formula. Number one, Udemy. The second you get into university, or even if you're about to end and you're watching this video, it's fine. What I want you to do is create one video on Udemy every single day. You need to create courses. I'm not qualified to be a teacher, Nader. Neither am I, but I make hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars a month now through Udemy. So I'd say you better jump on that quickly. Start uploading courses to Udemy. Even if you know the basics of computer science, learn how to break it down and create online courses. If you don't have a camera, go and get one. Use your webcam. It doesn't matter. Figure out how to create content. And quick interruption, figure out how to create content. Learn how to make videos for the first 2 or 3 months. Just make videos and learn how to get fast at them. Learn how to edit them quickly. I know it's going to take you time to get the software. You can get free software. You can use computers at your own university. You can use computers at the library. It can be no cost. You can use your phone. My iPhone shoots in 4K. So you really don't need any of the equipment that I have. You can easily do this yourself just by using a webcam and any computer anywhere. So you're creating content and you're uploading courses to Udemy. How do you create a course? Just find something you're learning. Take one of your syllabus at school. If you have a class called Math 101, and teach that. Don't steal the syllabus because that's illegal. That's actually copyrighted. But take all the concepts, every single concept in the course, because, you know, information, they can't copyright the information in terms of teaching. So teach the same information and make a course about it. Sell it on Udemy and it will sell on the marketplace. Go and look at Marketplace Insights. It's a tab under Udemy. If you check it out, you're going to be able to actually see the median amount. So the median amount that course is going to make, you'll probably make that amount every month. Step number 2 takes no effort. Take your courses and upload them onto Skillshare. It's totally 100% free. You get to use both marketplaces now selling your courses. You will at least if you taught a decent course, and if it's in a popular thing like computer science, you will now at least make $100 US passively every single month. That's better than nothing, wouldn't you say? So you have that going on, and you want to snowball it. You may be feeling antsy, you might be feeling your course ain't good enough, you might be feeling nervous. Take this time to make more YouTube content. Make it fun. Make content creation fun and begin to build a body of work. Start uploading your videos onto YouTube. Not your course videos, but videos like this one. Videos where you can talk and build a community. Upload pictures on your networks, upload pictures on Instagram, upload pictures here, and stick within one niche. It might be hard, you might have 2 or 3 things that you diversify yourself in. I do, but what you want to do is try to brand them and title them under one thing as much as possible to make your brand cohesive.